Alright, so we are here playing Resident Evil 4, and we're gonna meet a short little dude. It's 5 in the morning. I know it's crazy to be playing this early, but I don't care. There's these people. Why are you running away? What the heck? Come back here. Do you really think it's gonna help if you run away? Go away. Whoa, buddy, you can't be doing that. You just, oh my god, that's so dumb. I'll take a first aid spray. That's not supposed to happen. God, what's going on? Are they gonna come out of that door, or are they gonna go? Oh my god, this jerk over here is not being really nice. God. Really? Come on. Why are you coming all the way over here? You gonna be a jerk? Get out of here, man. Stop trying to eat me. I'm not gonna be like that one girl in the video that gets eaten. Sorry, but... Whoa! Ashley! Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to get Ashley hurt. Oh my god, what's wrong with me? I need some more shotgun shells. Come here. You jerk. You don't hurt Ashley like that. No. Don't get up. I'm getting knifed. I'm so sorry. This meeting. Oh, you got me. That wasn't supposed to happen. Come on. Get down. You can't hurt me like that. It's just so not cool. Oh my god. I forgot about you. Come here, Ashley. They're gonna follow me over here. I don't have any health at all. This is dumb. Aim, you idiots! Get out of here. That was all the shotgun shells I have. This is stupid. Hey, back off. Here we go. Oh my gosh, are you serious? I have no ammo left. This is lame. How am I supposed to get more ammo? It's stupid. Okay, once you get this key, there will be people coming in this room, and you have to shoot that red barrel. And I mean shoot it really fast, because I barely have any ammo. Last time I didn't get to it. See, I told you. Oh, you missed. What the heck? I can't get it. Hold on. Why you gotta be so close to me? Oh, this is dumb. Really? Get off. off. Why do you have to be so close to me? Move. Okay, really? No. Oh, what the heck? Get back here. You are not doing that. Oh my god. Get off of her. You stupid crap. Come here, Ashley. Really? No. Ashley, come here. You stupid girl. Do you think we're gonna survive? You know what? We're just gonna leave. Come on. We'll kill him later. Stupid girl, you cannot do that. Gosh. Oh my god, I can't believe we both got hurt and I didn't even get to shoot the barrel until last minute. It's just the second time that happened. For some reason I can't get it. But who cares? There's that Salazar. So.
I was starting to wonder when you might notice us.
Who are you?
Me llamo Ramon Salazar, the 8th Castellan of this magnificent